Welcome to the Rustic Garden Homestead. Subscribe and follow me on YouTube for 2020 and I will show you how to build an entire garden. We'll walk out there in a second. Let's start indoors. Every year on my channel I do a real-time series in video starting seeds indoors. I start beginning of January, get things growing, get them established, and I start putting stuff out into my garden in March. And I will show you all the steps on moving stuff from the inside of the house to the outside of the house, seed starting outdoors, all kinds of construction. We're going to go walk out into my garden in a second. I have a playlist that covers everything that you see here for 2020. I've already started the season, so please subscribe and follow. But those 20 videos will show you how to do everything you see here. All right, let's get outside. Last year I moved to 2 acres to an 1867 farmhouse. I'm building the entire 2 acres into an edible landscape. This is my kitchen garden right by the house. I'll show you how to grow herbs. I'll show you how to grow in containers. I have a lot of strawberries growing right here that are going to be transplanted throughout the 2 acres. Raspberry canes, all kinds of different things in my smaller garden here. Then we can step out to the larger garden where I'm doing all kinds of construction projects, composting. So let's go out there and I'll show you what's going on. These are all raised beds I made out of repurposed wood. That's lavender up there on the left. I'll show you how to build the raised beds, fill the raised beds in different ways. We'll grow in containers. It's actually February 16th, so this is a perfect time to join and follow because the garden's just getting started. Containers of Swiss chard, that's garlic. Sage, oregano, that's actually cilantro in here. We come into the bigger garden, starting up building all kinds of different raised beds of different sizes. You can see I have the wood pre-cut. You can use galvanized metal, order them online. That's a garlic bed. These were all set up using actually shredded hardwood. In here I have different cool weather crops growing through the winter. And here's my larger garden. I set this up so you can pick different corners. Maybe you want to grow in containers like this or raised beds like this. Maybe that's too large. You want to grow in some smaller containers. I have earth beds, I have raised beds, I have framed out beds. Over there, compost station. I'll be doing a full series on composting, how you can do that in your home garden. Lots of cool weather crops survive the winter here in Maryland. I'll be dividing these out, moving them around. Arch trellises, all kinds of different things going on. And I really encourage you to follow my YouTube channel because I will take you through everything that you see here, and you can apply it on a small scale, you can apply it on a large scale. Be growing tomatoes up trellises, more container gardening, vertical gardening, and we're coming up here to where I'm just getting ready to mulch out the area. Put down cardboard, put your mulch on top of that, your plants will love you for it, and it'll keep the weeds down. Those are blackberry canes that'll be producing for the second year. Should be a nice heavy harvest. Hops vines across the back, blueberry bushes. I have apple trees, pear trees, peach trees. I even have an almond tree. I'll just show you everything that you can possibly grow in your garden, and I'll go at a pace where you can learn, start on a small scale, and maybe expand your garden into something like this. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.